How to enable disabled apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable any disabled apps on Android device. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now after that, simply tap on manage apps. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you see the list of options. So from here you can simply scroll through the apps to find the app that you have disabled, or you can simply search for it. As of right now, I haven't disabled any apps, so I'm going to simply disable it first. So here, once you are on the app, it's not here. I'm going to simply go to the another app. So here, once you are on the app, at the bottom you can see the disable option. So simply tap on that. And on the pop-up menu, simply disable it. And here, let's say that you have disabled the Chrome app. So to enable it, just tap on the enable option at the bottom of the screen. And once you tap on it, it's enabled. And it's that simple. And that's how you can enable disabled apps on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.